For Talk to You by Sam Fender, we've got the capo on the 7th fret, and we're going to start off with an F add 9 chord relative to capo. So we've got 3rd fret relative to capo on the D, 2nd fret on the G, 1st fret on the B, and the high E string at the 3rd fret. That's our first chord, and we're going to play the bass note on the D string, and that's from down, up, down, up. So bass, down, up, down, up. We're going to play 2 bars of this. Move to a C chord, and we're also going to keep the high E string with the 3rd fret here. So we've got 3 on the A, 2 on the D, 1st fret on the B, high E string at the 3rd fret. Same rhythm, this time the bass is on the A string, bass, down, up, down, up. Then we're going to move these 2 fingers, 2 and 3, up a string set to 3 on the E, 2 on the A, and the high E string at the 3rd fret, all relative to capo. But we're going to take the first finger off here. This is just a standard G-shaped chord. And the bass this time is on the E string, bass, down, up, down. So it's 2 bars of F, bass, down, up, down, up, bass, down, up, down, up, C, bass on the A, G, bass on the E. Second time through is the same, except for the C chord is going to be an A minor 7 chord. So we have F, bass, down, up, down, up, bass, down, up, down, up, into an A minor 7. We have the second finger on the 2nd fret of the D, first finger, 1st fret of the B, and the high E string at the 3rd fret. A string is open, we've got bass on the A string, bass down, up, down, up, and then to the G again, bass down, up. So the second time through is that F, bass down, up, down, up, bass down, up, down, up, A minor 7, G. And that's the chord progression for the verse. F add 9 twice, C, G, back to the F add 9, A minor 7, G. The chord progression in the chorus is very similar. It's F twice, C, and G, and the second time through it's actually F, C, A minor, and G. There's also a little passing note on that second time through. So the first time through is the same, F, down, up, down, up, bass, down, up, down, up, C, G. The second time through on the F we play bass, down, up, and then we're going to hit the 2nd fret on the A string. So we have bass on the D, down, up, bass, 2nd fret on the A string, over to 3rd fret on the A string for our C chord, down, up, down, up, into an A minor chord, bass on the A string again, bass, down, up, down, up, G, down, up. So that second time through, F, bass on the D, down, up, 2, 3 on the A, down, down, up, A minor, down, down, up, G. Okay. And the whole chorus slowly, F, down, down, up, bass, down, down, up, C, down, down, up, G, down, up, back to the F, down, up, 2, 3, down, down, up, A minor, G. And more up to speed. There's also a beautiful picking pattern in the song sometimes too. It starts on this F add 9 chord with a single strum down, then we'll pick E, B, G, B. So down, E, B, G, B. The second time through stays on the F chord, but this time we pick the D string, strum down, E, B, G, B. So we have. Then we move up to our C chord, bass on the A, bass strum down, E, B, G, B. Same picking really, except for the bass moves to the A string. And then on the G chord we play the bass note on the low E string, 3rd fret. Then we're going to hammer on from open on the B string to 1, flick off to open, G, D. Okay, so far. The second time through is very similar. The first 2 bars are exactly the same. F, single strum, E, B, G, B. Then the bass is down, up, B, G, B. So down, E, B, G, B, bass. bass, down, up. And then we go to the A minor 7 chord based on the A string, strum down, E, B, G, B, same as normal. And the G, same as the first time. So the second time through is at F, bass, down, up, A minor 7, and that ending G riff. And so the whole thing. The picking part is also sometimes played in the chorus. It's F, same picking. On the second time through, we follow the chord progression for the chorus, so we have the F going to the C, A minor, and then the G. And I actually like to incorporate the kind of passing bass note from the strumming chord progression as well here. So we play F, E, B, B on the A string at 2nd fret, going to the C bass note, down, then the A minor 7, and then the G is normal. So we have F, bass from C, A minor 7, G. So the way I play through the whole chorus would be F, C, G riff, F, bass run, A, and the normal riff on the G. The song finishes fading out on an F at 9 chord, just strummed down in 8th.